Hey, what's going on guys? Alex here, back at it again with another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys and unboxing and obviously reviewing 5 different tech items that you can get for gifts for the holiday season, for birthdays, for whatever. But yeah, considering Christmas is coming up in a few weeks, I thought this would be a great video to have and put out to you guys. If you guys are pumped up for this video, make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on notifications so you get notified when I upload new content. And let's get right in. So I just want to provide a big thank you to this video sponsor, Ecolor. So Ecolor is a company that specializes in RGB lighting. You can find light strips, you can find these car light strips, which I'm going to be showing you guys as the first gift item. You can find color changing lamps and just really cool stuff on their website. But yeah, they sent me this RGB car interior lighting kit, which basically produces an underglow in your car, and I think that's a super cool gift for anyone that basically drives a car. I mean, who doesn't want RGB in their car? That's freaking amazing. What I love about Ecolor's RGB lights, including these, are that they include a bunch of features that your basic LED lights or RGB LED lights don't usually include, like dimming, music mode, 16 million colors of availability, DIY scenes, app control, and a remote control, which is just crazy. You don't really see these types of features on more affordably priced LED lights, RGB LED lights, like these. Also, all of these products that I'm going to be talking about today and showing you today will be down low in the description. In the box, you get a bunch of stuff. First off, you get the 4 strips that go down below under where your feet are, basically, that produce the light, and also all the wires attached to them. You also get some zip ties and some clips to hook all those wires in place and help everything stay nice and neat. And you have this on-off button that plugs into the cigarette lighter of your car, and that connects to the lights themselves. Lastly, you also get your tiny remote control, but remember, these lights are also app controlled, and you get a tiny user manual. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go downstairs and install these in my car, and I'll take you guys along with it. Let's go. All right guys, what's up? I am currently in my garage with my car that I'm going to be installing these LED lights in. I'm so excited, and I'm so sorry for the lighting. Let's just get into this installation and hit the time lapse. As you can see down there, we have some underglow. That is so cool, and it's with these bright studio lights too, shining right at them, and look how bright they are. That is so cool. Okay, time to do the back. This is epic. Alright guys, I'm sorry it's a little dark right now, but I just finished installing them in my car. I'm going to turn the car on. There we go, and as you can see, I have them on the music mode right now. It follows my voice, and that's just one of the cool modes it has. The Ecolor app, which has so much customizability, it's insane. Like, first of all, you have a color wheel, so you can change the color. Second, there's scenes. So this is the candlelight scene. And guys, remember, it's not just the car LEDs that have this great functionality. This functionality is present in, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, all of Ecolor's products. So you can have this app functionality with everything, and I just think this is so cool. I'm so happy. So remember guys, you can buy your Ecolor light down below in the description. Just click the link, it will take you to their website, and right now I believe they are having a holiday sale, so grab your discounted RGB LED lights while you can. Alright guys, let's go to the next product.